You're a Capcut editor that wants to make text that looks like After Effects using just Capcut, but you don't know how. Well, don't worry, because I am going to teach you how to make free texts like After Effects using Capcut. Make sure you watch all the way through because you do not want to miss this tutorial. Here's a quick preview.
Today is the day, bro. Today is the day. It's been 3 years since my football career and I ain't scored another. We here to win. I put my blood, tears, and I put sweat to this. I trained for this. This is my life. And I'm not gonna let nobody take nothing from me.
Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. To make this text, you must first open Capcut and follow me. Import your clip and overlay that you can download from the link in description. Add a black overlay. Add a text layer and add whatever font you prefer. Adjust the size and length to your liking. Add the overlay and change blending mode to linear burn. Copy the text layer and follow me. This may seem a little confusing, but bear with me. Create compound clip with everything except the second text layer we duplicated. Remember, if you are on mobile, then instead of creating compound export, the text without the duplicated text layer, change blend mode to brighten. Put the duplicated text layer under the text we exported and change the color to black. Add a black overlay and follow my mask settings. Shadow to the duplicated text and copy it and follow me. Change color to white. Remove the shadow and add outline effect. Duplicate it. I have just showed you how to make one viral AE-like text in Capcut. Make sure to watch the full video. I guarantee you are going to learn new useful information. And if you have made it this far, you might as well like and subscribe. To make this text, you must first open Capcut and follow me. Generate captions using auto caption. Put your text on the center of the clip. Go to templates and select the template I'm selecting. Add glow and shadow and customize it however you like. Add a black overlay and follow my mask settings. Now, to make this expanding text, there are two methods. One method can be done in both mobile and PC, and method 2 can only be done in Capcut PC. For the first method, follow me carefully. Do exactly what I'm doing. Follow these steps carefully. If you are mobile, instead of creating Compound, export the text separately in a different project. Follow this curve. Don't forget to enable smooth, slow motion, and select the optical flow to make the text animation smooth. Add fade in and fade out animation. For the second method of expanding text, all you have to do is turn off uniform scale and keyframe the scale width. Now that we are done with our second text, let's get started with the last text. Want to make this gradient text in Capcut? Follow me. Get your expanding text we just did, duplicate it, and follow me. Change glow to any color you want. Thank you guys so much for watching this far. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We are trying to hit 5,000 subs before the end of the year. Don't forget to check out my other tutorials.